Well, hello again. This should be fairly interesting. Now I got my hands in the bathroom, smart mirror thingy. Sorry for my outfit, it is not perfect, but maybe it's okay. But the mirror is branded as Artforma. It is fairly expensive mirror because you have lights around the mirror, and then the ladies have an own EV makeup mirror and the light and touch switches, and here we should have camera really don't want to pick up that, but there is a clock and weather guessing device where you can see the weather, but there is something wrong with it. I will plug it in now. It makes a sound and shows the all icons and blinking the Wi-Fi symbol, but there is a button. It is not responding to the button and the lights ain't going to work. And what makes repair tricky is that this specific unit is not meant to be opened. The front glass is glued in, so it is, I don't say impossible, but nearly impossible to remove the glass to gain access inside of the unit. So I have a idea. I will lay it down. Oh, there is a label. Oh, there, control label. And some kind of manufacturer number thing, but there is basically no no screwable hoods or doors what I can open, but because the power cord is going in from there, I'm just guessing that maybe the electronics is located behind this back cover. And what I am now trying is that there is holes here and another one over there, and I will try to put the endoscope camera inside the hanging hole to see inside of the mirror and try to locate, or at least have some clues that where is the cables and where is the electronics, what are responsible for the lightning circuits. And I'm trying to cut the back part open, but it is kind of tricky to do because it is that kind of I don't remember what is that called, that wooden glued panel. What is the main construction material on mirror? But I have to try to carefully cut the backplate open. Maybe with Dremel Multi, perhaps. But first I am a little bit interested what is here under the plastic caps. There might be some hints for the job. Oh, there's a hole. All right. Just wondering why. But yeah, another hole. Okay. I'm going to get my endoscope camera and hook it up, and let's try to see what part of the mirror we are going to open. Well, I managed to get my endoscope through the hole inside of the mirror, and I am trying to get you a little bit closer. Let's make it full screen. A little bit better view. And I already noticed that there is a Bago connectors inside of the mirror. And if I have my ways correct, I am assuming that that set of cables I don't know where they are. Let's try to go a little bit deeper. What is that? It's a little bit tricky to navigate inside of them. mirror, but I don't know how we're going to see that. No. Or are we? It is not now turning the way I want it to go. Oh, now it turned. I don't know, can you see, but here is my finger. Maybe it is more clear if I show the light on the hole. Out there is the speaker and the mounting hole. So now we can assume that that set of cables are going to go straight to the speakers. And that part is that makeup mirror. And if I can just go there. There is the makeup mirror, and that power cord is power for the makeup mirror. And it is making a lot of extra hoop over there. And then it goes there. There is some kind of hole. Where are most of the cables going? Or at least it looks like it. I will try to feed the endoscope on the another hole. You can try to guess what happened. Oh, crap. My endoscope was too big to fit on the holes. So I decided to take the cover off to get the camera a little bit smaller. And then that happened. When I tried to pull the camera out from the mirror. Ay, 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 ay. It didn't go as I planned. but at least I have a little sneak peek inside the mirror. And probably I will try to fish out the camera end from the hole, but I don't know is it success or not. If it's not success, then I will just start to cut some hole on the back cover. But if I manage to get back my camera, I will try to investigate more. I did it. I did it. There is my camera. I have to try to not to lose it again. Now back to oh, I don't have the capture device. Really? Maybe I will have. Ta-da! Alright, but I have to be super careful to try not lose my camera head again. And inside we go again. Alrighty. Let's try to go down. Can it be here? And what for is that interesting cutout on the back part of the panel? Could it be that box? There is a red and black cable going out of the box, and also probably white and the red one. And if I had my locations right, I should be now somewhere kind of there. Probably. Let's try to pull the camera outwards to see how far we are. Yeah. The electronic box should be somewhere around there. Bottom of the frame. I will try to make a hole inside there and see if the electronic box is there. Of course, I could try to find the power button. Because it should be somewhere near there, and there should go some cable. Also the box what is controlling the LEDs. Yeah, really interesting. I'm really curious to see what is inside. Yeah, on the cup is the area where I suspect the electric box to be, and I decided to make another small hole behind the back panel to just get closer view with my endoscope. And I'm trying to do it with the Dremel. I'm not sure will it work, but let's try. Let's try. Let's do it there. Something is happening. Yeah, we have already a tiny hole. Let's go a little bit deeper. And let's try again. We are in. but I think the hole is too small, that I am not going to able to fit my camera inside of it. I will change the tip to wider to get the hole bigger. And now I am basically just turning it to bigger. And that depth should be enough. Let's try to figure out how deep it can be. Yeah, it is not too deep. Now we should be able to fit the camera again. Let's grab the endoscope. Не. There. Let's see what is happening if I try to feed the endoscope to the hole that way, and then I am trying to control it towards the mug under patch thing. we made a little bit mess, but it should not cause any problems. Probably. Go on. Here we are again. And now, where are we? I can only assume that that part have to be the frame. Yeah, that is frame. And I was wrong. The plastic box is located probably a center of the mirror. Could it... I lost my web, but could it be that box what is controlling the lights? And I saw some kind of cable. And what is that? Cable is somehow changing to different one. On the bottom of the case, but where is that white cable going? I'm just wondering. Oh, there. That white cable is going there. So I'm wondering that perhaps the light control box is just underneath the power button. Let's create a new hole and try to get closer. Yeah, what is behind the hole number 2? Let's see. It is now there's the power in, and hole is now halfway, and it should be pretty close to the power switch thing. Alright, there's something preventing me to go down. Let's make that hole a little bit wider. To get better access, like that. And let's use a wire as reference point. Oh, and there is my cable. It's really hard to try to navigate with the camera and get there. So we are now there. And it kind of looks like that it is now really close to the electronic box. Now I got my camera in. Let's try to turn. Oh. Let's put the cable just to know where we are. Down, 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 down. If I am right, my there is my cable. And there is a lower frame, and now we are looking at the another way. There is nothing. Yeah, but I think we are now pretty much at the right spot. We are now pretty much at the right spot. We have now made two tiny holes to figure out where is the electric box. Just to make it as symmetrical as possible, I will make one hole more that we can then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastic plugs covering the holes, and I'm trying to figure out how wide the control box is, that how big cutout I have to cut on the back plate. The drilling holes is a little bit boring. I will skip that one hole and I will come back soon. yeah, there is some kind of liner setup, and I'm trying to cut the first line there. I don't know will it work, but let's try. Alright, it is first cut complete, and there we can already see wires. And now just I have to do all three sides. Let's see what we can find. Okay. Now we found a little side quest because somehow my Dremel stopped to work. I don't know why. And it's of course my only Dremel, because you don't need but only one. And I already checked the brushes, they are okay. Actually I can take them off now. Let's see what happened. I'm really curious to see inside the mirror, because it is only one cut and we should be able to open it. But I can't open it without my Dremel. Can I put something between the plastic to see where is the there. Of course I could take off the stickers, but I don't want that now. I just want to get it open as soon as possible to see is it fixable. Am I missing something here? Plop. All right, now we are getting something. Oh, what is that? What is that part? be here. Oh, it is the brake release spring. It is totally okay. Let's try to easiest steps first. Could it be just broken power cord? No. Power cord seems to be alright. What else can go wrong there? And here it comes. Can I pull the motor out? Yes, I can. It seems to be fully working condition. Let's try to do a little bit of cleaning. Well, there is nothing obvious. Let's put it a little bit back together to make a little test. If the cleaning helped even a little bit. Will it spin? No! Crap. The fault must be in the speed controller. It is just annoying that it failed right now. I don't know, do I have a tools? Or time now to fix that thing? Probably now I have to check if I am able to put the Dremel heads to my bigger cutting machine. Crap. Okay. Probably I had a wrong tool for beginning, because my bigger machine did a much better work. But now there is not enough light. I can try to fix my camera settings to get more. But it is not helping. There. It is completely open. There's wires. Wire. But there is some kind of wooden frame in the lower section of our cutoff. I don't know, is it going to open now? But I will try. Let's try first just by handheld and tweezers. Is it going to? It might come. It might come, but I will need a maybe pair of hands. Or not. I can do that probably with one-handed. Yeah, it is coming off. Ooh. Shamed the tiny part. Cracked. Yes, it is coming. Yeah. But no. Crap. Crap, crap, crap. Beautiful cutoff. But oh my god. Or no. Is it crap? I don't know. Because I don't know. I have to peek inside of the thing with my camera endoscope, because the lights what are going around of mirror is there, and they are going to be connected with this wire, and that must be the power switch, and that wire what goes up is probably our power for the LED strips. But I don't know, do I miss the power to the switch, or is the switch itself broken? Because now I have access only to the switch. Yeah, there is label black, and the red wire is V positive and V negative. Then the red and the white is probably there. It is the light. Well, let's do a little bit cleaning and try to measure do we have a power to the switch. Okay, new plan. In that hole there was only the power switch, and after scoping around with the endoscope I managed to locate the transformers, and they should be somewhere around there. So now I will move the milling rig to there and start doing some holes, and see with the endoscope that the holes are going to be at right spot, and hopefully we make another peak hole over there. And I will get you closer. It's really tricky to try to film it, but there is that hole and lights, and now the light is here and the transformers are located on the right side. Let's make that corner and see where is the light spot going to be. That is it wide enough, that hole. It needs to be wider. Now there. Crap. There is a transformer, and now the light is, how much that could be? Maybe 5 centimeters off the corner. And that another light, another hole. I don't know, can I show it anymore? Because the camera won't go where I want. Yeah, I don't know. Do the, oh, there. Image is the wrong way, but that don't have to be so far away, that hole. So I think I will just move the cutting place 6 centimeters. Then probably I will get the right spot. Yeah. There is a transformer and the hole is there. So now it should be at the right spot. Now just I have to cut the whole thing. Yeah, I milled the opening. And here is an endoscope. Let's poke it open. Wow. What we have there? So there is my transformers. If I had to guess, another one is for weather station thing, and the another one is probably for the lights. But I can already make some kind of guess which of those is broken, because there is some kind of burny marks there, so probably it is the bigger one what is broken. But let's see. Let's get the power. And meter. Oh, but you can't see. There you are. I will try to check the voltage from the smaller transformer first. Yeah, there is power. So indeed the bigger one is faulty. And I think that I can't take the transformer out because it is glued on the glass, but I can cut the wire and feed the lights by external 12 volts and see is the lights working or not. And if it's working, then we just toss a new transformer in here because there is plenty of room. Okay. At that point I just tossed the transformer in the power outlet and poorly hooked it in the wires, and what we have now is light on the light switch. And oh my god, it is only broken transformer. Wow. I think I can fix that. No problem. But first I have to go to shop and buy new transformer. But it seems to be fixable. Awesome. Yeah. Here it is. I haven't changed the transformer yet, but I configured the weather station and the calendar thingy, and just check that everything is fully working. Now I have to clean up and try to get the new transformer somewhere. But project continues when I get the new transformer. If you watch it at this point, thank you and have a good day. And see you in the finishing up video. Well, hi there again. I don't have a right transformer for the mirror, but I have a update to SideQuest. And field windings in the Dremel Multi is only a kind of plug and play solution that is only needed to pull off to get the field coils off. And I tried to measure the field coils. And I have an interesting reading here, 23 ohms, but here I didn't get any reading. And after a short investigation, I was kind of started to thinking that why I don't have a resistance in the coil, because the coil looks just fine, not burned, no nothing. And I found that one. It is somehow disambled itself. I don't know how, but the fault is really interesting. Now I need to somehow undo the connector, that I could solder a tiny piece of wire to the connector and rejoin the field coiled wire to it. Perhaps after that my Dremel will work again. But how on earth I am trying to get the connector out. Let's try first with the tweezers. No, not going to. I don't know. Maybe it is coming. It came a little bit. That I can now try to grab it. Yeah. Oh, it is not even soldered at all. Oh, yeah. Really hard to try to show in the camera, but there is still a small piece of wire attached to connector, and I'm pretty sure that the manufacturing process is that kind that the copper wire is just pulled through the slot and then the connector is just pressed in. Now it has been shaken off. But now I don't know which end of the winding is that. It feels like it starts. Yeah. Yeah, let's try to put a little solder blob to it. And here we are writing of the rope wire. We need something that you see is it spinning or not, but of course it is spinning. Awesome. Really funny fault. But it's now fixed and I will continue my main project if I just found the spares somewhere. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Yeah, here again. I found a new transformer there, and it is thin enough to fit inside a mirror, but it is obvious that it won't fit there, or it could fit if this broken one somehow gets off, but I'm scared to try remove this if I am ruining the mirror surface, so I'm leaving it there. And just for the symmetry, I have a plan to put new transformer somewhere here. And now I am looking with endoscope through the hole to here. Is there a dividable empty space? And if there are, I will cut similar opening to here and put the transformer there. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's try. Here is a camera. I am trying to show the screen which way this goes. That way. All right. All what I can see is just emptiness. Yeah, there is no reason why I don't create a new opening. I will get support things, guides for the handheld milling thingy and draw the outlines for the hole what I am going to do. I will come back. Fuck. It's a failure. Damn it. Well. I have to try again. as you can see, everything is not now going like it should be. Maybe I'm a little bit too busy now for this job, because I have the time window which I decided to use to cut the opening, but it is going not as what I planned, and I don't know why my weight rig is not now holding at all, and my bit also went broken, and I have no words for now what I am feeling, but I will change the bit and try to get the hole done. It was awful. I'm sorry about that. Not pretty. I will probably get a new piece of wood and cut a new plate to cover the hole later. But now there is a good spot for the transformer, and all what we need to do is connect the cables. Yeah, I managed to reroute the LED power cable to here, and now we need to get the power cable to there, and it should be easy job. Even I can do it. And of course the mirror is now unplugged, that it is totally safe to work with it. Yeah, and there is a light. All right. I will totally understand if you are stopping to watch my video at that point, but the project still continues because I have to put the back of the mirror back together and try to use some kind of white glue to glue the parts in the backside, that I can kind of fill the cap with the white stuff. But at least it is now functional. It's nice, and yeah, project continues later on. But if you watch it at that point, thank you very much for watching, and see you later. And rest of all, you who are going to still watch the video, wait the end, because I have a guess that I will handle the backside probably really well, that nobody never knows that we are even being inside of the mirror. Well, back here and because I messed it up with the wooden parts, I decided to go the metal sheetings to cover the holes, and I already marked the right spots where I want them to be. And now I am just gluing them with silicone. Like that. And now, when the silicone is dry, I will take the tapes off and get a little bit polish on the stainless steel plates. It should be fine. And after all, no one is going to see them because they are behind the mirror, so it should be okay.